Hello, number 7 on databases. In this tutorial, I'm going to speak about order by as one of the SQL statements that we have. Now, let us see the basics for it before going to the practical part of it. So, order by, these commands allow you to state in which order the result will be displayed. Now, you want the result to be displayed in a certain order. That's where we use the order by. There are two options for displaying your results. That is, your results can be displayed in ascending order, or your result can be displayed in descending order. So in ascending order, that means in the increasing order. So you can have A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. That's ascending order. But descending order, that means decreasing order. That means we'll be starting from the highest value coming down to the low value. Like we'll be starting from 10, 9, 8, 7, and the others. Or maybe C, B, A, and the others. But in SQL, if you don't specify the value, the default order is always a descending order. Now let us see the syntax for it. It is select from, then you specify the table name. After specifying the table name, then you just add order by. So you just add order by ascending order, order by the column that you want to order with. And then after that column, you can specify whether in ascending or in descending order. So let us just go to the practical part of it so that you can see how easy is this. We want to display the list of all students in ascending order. So let us come back to our Microsoft Access so that we can practice it. So we created this one, of course, and we'll be using this one throughout our tutorials. So what are we going to do at the moment? I'm just going to create the query. So go to create and then go to query design, then go to SQL, then go to our SQL view. So after that, what we're going to do, I'm just selecting maybe all. Let me just select all from table name is student. Then order by, just want to order them by the first name. So it will display the list of all students and their details from this table, but the names will be ordered in the order of first name, but here it will be ascending order, of course, because we didn't specify it. So if you click on run, you can clearly see that we have all the data, of course. We have all the data here. So we have all the data, but the data are arranging now in ascending order of the first name. So if you want to change it, maybe let me just arrange in ascending order of the last name. You'll see that the result will be a bit different. That means the last name will come at the top and the first name, the last name, sorry, something is wrong here. Order by, so it's not last name, of course, it is middle name for this case. So it will order all the results by using their middle name as the column that will be taken into consideration. So you can see now Robert is coming at the top and the other names are following, right? So that's the simplest way, of course, that you can use to sort. That is, the query is very, very simple. Very, very simple. You just say select the columns that you want. Maybe I just want the first name for my middle name. I just want only those information from student table, and they want to order by the middle, by their the first name that I say. So I'll be having the column for the first name. I'll be having the column for the middle name. I'm displaying all the results from the student table, and the result will be ordered by their first name in ascending order. So if I'm just running it, you can clearly see that I have the first name. I have also the middle name, and the first name has been arranged in alphabetic order as you see. So you can also do the same for the part of numbers. When you have numbers, of course, you can do the same. So let us take a recap of some of the questions that we can have here. We have the weather table, and from this weather table, we have to answer this series of questions. The question number 1 is so straight, of course. What will be the result, of course? So we have the column for temperature, and then we have the column for wind speed. We also have the column for date. But all of them, the result will be arranged by temperature. So temperature will be sorted in ascending order at this point of view because the order by has not been specified. So we'll be ordering using the ascending order of the temperature. That means we'll be starting with the smallest one, that is 17.2, 18.4, I think, then 20.3, and the other. So you can just arrange them that way. Then see your results. Now for this case, I have the date, I have the time, I have the temperature. So I have the date here, I have the time here, I have the temperature here. So I'll be ordering by a descending order of humidity. So you'll be starting with the highest value of humidity at this point, which is 63. Then you'll be going to 61, then we'll be going to 60, then you'll be going to 59, 52, ending up with 40. So you just copy the values of date, the values of time, and the values of temperature at that point of view. This one is complete the SQL to display the date, wind speed, and humidity. So here, as usual, there is select, and then this is where, of course, order by wind speed, and we're done. So thank you so much for your time. This marks the end of this tutorial about order by. Thank you so much for your time. See you on the coming tutorial.